A tip for doing your lights on your Christmas railway, and you could also do it on your main railway, is a little bit of Blu Tack. So if you can show how you do this. So basically you've had to drill a hole a little bit larger to get the resistor through. So all you do with the screwdriver is push some Blu Tack into the hole, which you can see being done now. Just enough. And then you just push the light in. It's going to be an interference fit. And then you can pull it straight towards you. And there you go. It might not look straight on the camera because of the angle, but it is straight, but the Blu Tack will hold it in.